Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using the LitCommerce app. Creating an XML feed to share your WooCommerce products with partners, niche channels, or your team can be challenging. But with the right tool, it becomes easy and requires no coding. Let's explore how to create an XML feed in WooCommerce with LitCommerce. First, in your WooCommerce dashboard, go to the Plugins section, click Add Plugin, and search for LitCommerce Product Feed App Name, then hit Activate. Over LitCommerce on the left sidebar and select Feed Management. Then, click on Go to LitCommerce to connect your WooCommerce store. Once connected, you will be redirected to the LitCommerce app where your WooCommerce runs as a data source. Now, let's move on to step 1. Set up your custom XML feed. As you're targeting a niche purpose, scroll down and click to create custom XML feed option. Start by giving your feed a name. Then set your custom item tag and custom items tag if needed. By default, these are set to item and items, which means your XML feed will be structured like this. The item tag wraps each individual product, and the items tag wraps the entire feed. Once you're done, click Continue. Next, let's move on step 2, set up categories. If categorizing isn't necessary for your feed, you can skip this step entirely. Otherwise, we recommend using the Generate Categories option. LitCommerce allows you to generate categories based on your product fields and suggest the appropriate ones. For example, I select category. LitCommerce will automatically generate the if condition. Then, you can simply choose one of the system's suggested categories. Repeat these steps to add more categories as needed. Once done, click Save, and LitCommerce will show the number of products in each category. You can also review any uncategorized items here. For a more in-depth guide, check out our detailed video linked in the caption below. Next, let's move on to step 3, create rules. Rules let you quickly customize your product's data, automatically adjusting prices, updating product titles, filling in missing fields, and more. LitCommerce also offers ready-to-use rule templates to save you time. One common template is Exclude Incomplete Items. It helps remove products with missing data like descriptions or product links. You can also customize which fields to check for completeness. Once done, click Save, and you can review your changes in the Item Count section. Selected items shows the items that meet your if conditions. Before this rule shows the total items in the feed before applying this rule. And after this rule shows the total items in the feed after applying this rule. Another common rule is applying a percentage discount to your product prices during a sale. For example, to apply a 20% discount, enter 0.8 as the value. To create your own rule, click Add Rule, then Create New Rule and give it a name. Use the If section to filter which products it applies to. In the Then section, define what changes you want to make. For a more detailed guide on creating rules, check out the video linked in the caption below. After setting up your rules, next is step 4, field mapping. Start by selecting which product fields you want to include in your XML feed. You can click Add All Import Fields to automatically pull in all source fields from your WooCommerce store, or use Add New Field to add fields manually one by one. Then assign a channel field name to each field. This will be the tag used for that field in your XML feed. And now, your feed is ready to be exported. But first, make sure your feed is activated. This is required to copy or use the feed link. You can also preview your XML feed directly in LitCommerce. Once everything looks good, copy the feed URL and use it wherever you need. Finally, let's schedule automatic feed updates to keep your product data up to date. Go to Settings, then the Schedule tab. Here, you'll see 3 options that's shown on the screen. Toggle them on based on your needs. Next, choose your preferred time zone for the daily syncs, and select the time of day you'd like your feed to update. And that's it. You've successfully created your custom XML feed in WooCommerce using LitCommerce. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy selling.